So guys, eto na yung Android Auto niya. So touchscreen naman siya and pwede mo siyang i-control dito sa mismong
Victory
LCD.
Mall and Market Tanawan may not be open yet when you arrive.
What's up guys, Summer here and welcome to another episode of Summer's Auto Marketing Channel. So for today's video, ang ipepresent ko sa inyo ngayon ay ang MG ZS Full Electric Vehicle which is year 2024. So samahan nyo ko and let's review the car. So guys, this is the MG ZS Full Electric Vehicle. SRP is 1,838,888 and then naka-promo siya for this month for only 90,000. So this is a full electric vehicle na guys and sobrang affordable niya in the market. So ano ba yung meron sa kanya guys? So this is the LED daytime running lamps with projector LED na rin guys. And then, kung makikita nyo guys, ito na yung design niya sa front. It has 360 camera or may front camera na siya guys. Tapos, ito nga pala yung charging port niya. May AC tsaka DC na rin guys. So, pwede ka nang mamili sa charging station kung alin yung mas suitable to your needs. AC nga pala is slow charging while DC is the fast charging. Then you have the big logo of MG. So guys, eto nga pala yung gulong ng MG ZS Full EV. Ang size ng gulong is 215 by 55, rim 17, and then naka-disc brake na siya. And yung suspension niya is MacPherson strap. So sa likod naman is ganun din, naka-disc brake na rin siya. Tapos same ng size ng gulong. And then when it comes naman sa side, napakaganda ng design. So may camera ka rin dito at the side. And naka-keyless entry na siya. So all you have to do is to press this. So guys, ito nga pala yung design ng side doors niya. So nandito yung lock and unlock and then naka-chrome design siya with leathers design din sa gilid and red stitch. So may coin holder siya and meron siyang bottle holders. Tapos, naka-power seat din naman yung upuan niya sa driver's side with black leather and red stitch. Tapos dito makikita yung adjacent sa side mirrors with auto fold and then ito yung lakas na or buga ng headlamps niya. Then dito makikita yung sa hood, bukasan ng hood. So guys, as you can see, yung kanyang meter cluster is full digital na, no? So, dyan na makikita yung percentage in battery, and then yung takbo mo, and then yung mileage na pwede mong itakbo. So, dyan din makikita kung may eco, normal, sports. So, yun yung 3 modes of driving niya. Tapos, dito naman sa gilid is yung LED headlamps with daytime running lamps option. Tapos, dito makikita guys yung cruise control niya. And then, dito naman sa sounds, and then sa control panel ng meter cluster. So, dito naman yung sa wiper. Tapos, eto naman yung LCD display niya, which is 12-inch LCD display where you can able to play Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, guys. So, itry natin yung Android Auto ko. So, guys, eto na yung Android Auto niya. So, touchscreen naman siya and pwede mo siyang i-control dito sa mismong LCD
Victory Mall and
display.
Market Tanowen may not be open yet when you arrive.
So, ayan guys. Yun yung Android Auto. So, yan yung makikita nyo. Tapos, ayan. So, naka-mirror yung cellphone ko. So, makikita nyo dyan is messages, maps, kung ano yung nasa cellphone ko na naka-install, yun din yung makikita nyo, guys. Tapos, itry natin yung sounds niya, no? So, malakas. So, ang ganda ng sounds niya, and then push start and stop button. Dito rin na ko-control yung sa aircon niya and sa home. Yan. Pero meron dito, ito yung fan and ito yung temperature. So, meron din naman dito, guys. So, pag gusto mong i-control yung Android Auto and nakasalpak yung cellphone mo sa USB, dito mo lang siya pipindutin para ma-access mo yung Google, yung Android Auto. So, tignan natin yung mga safety features ng sasakyan. So, it has 360 camera. And then, dito naman, meron siyang traffic jam assist, front collision assist, pedestrian automatic emergency braking, rear driving assistance. So, yun guys. Tsaka speed assist and lane keep assist. So, yun. And then, sa convenience naman, yun yung sa steering wheel, sa lightning, ayan. May follow me home siya and find my car vehicle response. And then, next. So, ayan, may video siya. So, kailangan may storage, guys. And then, sa settings, may user manual, entertainment manual. So, yun lang. So, yan yung makikita sa... Actually, guys, eto nga palang si MG ZS electric vehicle ay may sarili siyang navigation. Basta iha-hotspot mo siya using 4G or 5G signal. So, kaya ko naman siya. So, naka 2G siya right now. Pero mas gusto ko yung mas reliable kasi yung Google Maps, guys. So, dito na lang ako sa Android Auto and mas mabilis pa siya, guys. Ayan. So, ayun nga, you have 2 USB and then isang 12 volt. Then, ito yung mga modes for driving and then sa battery para mabilis mo siya makita. Battery. Tapos sa curse. So, hindi ko alam yung curse. Tapos, ito yung shift knob niya, guys. So, may return, neutral and drive na lang, and parking. So, electric parking, brake with auto hold, and two cup holders. Tapos, may armrest ka rin dito. So, yan. May armrest ka rin dito na pwedeng lagay ng basurahan. Tapos, eto naman yung kanyang tapos, dito nga pala yung functions niya for panoramic sunroof, guys. And then, you have the vanity mirror here and here also. Tapos, it has 6 airbags, guys. 6 airbags and 6 speakers with panoramic sunroof, guys. So, punta tayo sa kabila. So, guys, ito yung makikita niya sa likod. So, naka-leather seat, of course. And then, may cup holder siya dito. And then, you have aircon vents with one USB and one Type-C. Tapos, you have document holder here. Yan. Tapos, eto. So, eto naman yung rear, guys, ng MG ZS Full EV. So, naka full LED na siya. And then, you have 3 eye sensor sa likod. Tapos, hindi siya power. So, malaki. Malaki naman yung likod niya. And then, malaki rin yung kanyang lagayan ng... Wala siyang spare tire. Repair kit lang to, guys. So, yan yung makikita dyan. Tapos, EWD and manuals. So, that's it, guys. And I hope na marami kayong natutunan for today's video. For more inquiries and test drive, you can call me through the number below on my screen. And you can call me or text me or send a message to my Facebook page, which is Summers Auto Marketing. So, this is the end of the vlog. And thank you. And see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.